In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your team name in Wrike. This is really helpful if your organization has rebranded, your team has a new focus, or you just want a clearer name that everyone on your workspace can recognize. I'll walk you through the process step by step and you can follow along in your own Wrike account. First, make sure you're logged into Wrike and you're in your main workspace view. Look towards the upper left corner of the screen. There, you'll see your profile icon. This might be a small circle with your initials or a profile picture. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens a small menu that gives you access to personal and account-related options. From that menu, look for the option labeled Settings and click it. This is where Wrike keeps most of the configuration options for your account and workspace. If you don't see settings, it may be due to your access level, so confirm you have the necessary permissions from your Wrike administrator. After clicking Settings the first time, Wrike may bring you to your personal profile or general account section. From here, again look for a Settings or Account Settings option and click it. The goal is to reach the main account settings area where you can manage things like account details, billing, and of course your team or account name. It might feel like you are clicking settings twice, but that's simply Wrike moving you from personal settings into the broader account settings. Once you're in the account settings page, you'll see a field where your current team or account name is displayed. Click into that name field and type in the new name you want for your team. Choose something clear and recognizable for everyone who will be using the workspace. This name often appears across different parts of Wrike, so make sure it reflects your team's purpose or your company's branding. After typing in the new name, follow the on-screen prompts to save your changes. Wrike may show a save button, an apply button, or automatically confirm that your updates have been stored. Wait a moment to ensure everything is processed, and then check that the new name appears correctly in your workspace. And that's it. You've successfully changed your team name in Wrike using the built-in settings.